Mysterious white cloud hanging over long-dead Martian volcano. What is it? Well, that NASA is still asking that question. The reappearance of clouds on Mars will help scientists measure the density of particles hanging in the Martian atmosphere and forecast dust storms on the red planet, Mars that is. Astronomers spotted a white vapor trail stretching over a long-dead volcano on Mars equators. It looks like this is a sign, the equator, it only has one equator. It looks like this is a sign of an eruption, they say. But Mars, known to be cold on the inside, scientists think they have an explanation for this, as they've seen a similar phenomenon before, Science Alert wrote. 1,500 kilometers, that's 930-mile trail of vapor billowing over Arsia Mons was captured on photographs taken by the Mars Express orbiter on September 13th. Even though the vapor looks as if it were coming from the top of a volcano, researchers at the European Space Agency believe it's simply an optical illusion because Mars has not seen a single eruption for millions of years. So then what is it? Meteorologists call this phenomenon an orographic cloud, typically seen on the downwind side of mountains when dense air close to the surface flows up hills and expands as it cools, allowing moisture to condense on particles of dust. Every few Earth years, clouds of water ice bloom as moisture-filled air moves up the volcano's side. Similar images were taken by Mars Express in 2009, 2012, and 2015. Seeing this again this year, 2018, is no surprise. Well, why does it happen, though, every 3 years, like clockwork? The cloud's reappearance will help scientists measure the density of particles hanging in the atmosphere of Mars. The massive dust storm that happened on the red planet earlier in this year apparently mobilized the Mars rover Opportunity could give scientists new insight into how dust rises and settles on Mars, informing the scope of future missions.